Sing Sang Tai Tai Leho. I am Marilyn Macadlalay, born on February 5, 1985, 41 years old, from Pangasinan, Philippines. I am married, blessed with two children, ages 17 and 15 years old. I am high school graduate, and I like cleaning, cooking, and taking good care of kids. I work as a domestic helper in UAE for 2 years and 4 months, from February to 2014 to June 2016. I serve one couple and three children ages 18, 15, 13, and 2 years old. I work as a domestic helper in Hong Kong for 1 year and 2 months, from May 2017 to July 2018. I serve one couple and two children ages 7 and 5 years old.
Hello, Miss Marilyn Macanlalay. How are you today?
I am good and thank you, sir.
All right. May we know your main duties from your previous employer?
My main duties is taking care of the whole family, providing the services that they need, especially when it comes to their children.
Okay, so what are reasons why you want to go back again in Hong Kong?
Because I already experienced their culture and also because the people are nice.
Can you cook some Chinese food? Can you give us example dish and how to cook it?
Yes, sir. Like vegetable stir fry, first you need to stir fry mixed vegetables such as bell pepper, carrots, broccoli, garlic, ginger, soy sauce, and then serve over rice.
All right. What is the most important thing in taking care of children?
To prepare their food on time, check if their clothes is wet and always keep them safe.
How will you assist the child when crossing the street?
Hold their hand and look to the right and left before crossing.
Okay, what is the most important thing in carrying a baby?
Regularly check the diaper if it is wet, feed the baby on time, and give the medicine on time.
How will you arrange your duties if only you and the baby left in the house?
Attend the baby first, bath the baby, feed the baby, and once the baby is sleeping, that is the time that I can do my household chores.
Okay, so what if you found out that the baby has fever and your employer is not at home? What will you do?
First, I need to call and inform my employer or the parents and call a doctor for help and advice.
Okay, do you have any last message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please choose me as your housemaid because I need this job and it will be a big help for my family. Promise to you to do my duties and responsibilities. I will finish my contract.
All right, before we end, can you share your best smile? Thank you very much, Miss Marilyn Macanlalay, and hope to see you very soon in abroad.